It is just about 5:15 and we have a nice start to our day. It's going to be another sunny start. Today, a little warmer. We're back in the low 80s, so about 10 to 12 degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday. Lots of sunshine again today, from today through the weekend. No change there. Record heat possible here on Saturday. Saturday is going to be one of the warmest days on our Super 7 day. I'll show you that in just a minute. Waking up this morning to some 40s, even some 30s early on. We'll get into the mid 60s by about 11 o'clock and then mid 70s closer to 1. Highs are going to get into the 80s this afternoon, but it's a chilly start. Winds have shifted now out of the west. We had a cold front yesterday. It was a dry system, but it was nice, really pleasant in the afternoon. Today a little warmer. Right now Denver 42, Golden you're at 44. You'll find some upper 30s to low 40s to the north there near Erie and Firestone, and to the south in Castle Rock right now at 46. You'll see from 40s this morning we get into the mid 60s by about 11:30 to about 12 o'clock, so during the lunch hour, and 50s for the mountains at that point. No cloud cover. Yet again, you're going to find blue skies for miles here today. Clear skies tonight. We'll hit those highs in the low to mid 80s, and winds today are going to be at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. So we've got a light breeze. Overnight tonight, calm, clear. Early tomorrow morning, waking up to some 50s and even 60s as early as about 8 o'clock. Winds will kick up tomorrow afternoon, so fire danger is going to be quite a bit higher. We have a number of fire weather watches and warnings going into effect here on Saturday, so that will be a concern we'll be talking about here through the weekend, especially tomorrow when we get into the mid to upper 80s. Winds gusting up to about 40 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon. So in tan, those are going to be the watches. You also have some warnings there across parts of the northern mountains and up to the northwest closer to Craig and stretching up north from there. Your mountain forecast this weekend looks good though. More 70s and sunshine. Sunny, warm and dry here, it looks like, through the weekend. For Denver this weekend, temperatures are going to get into the upper 80s on Saturday. It's going to be the warmer of the 2 days. It'll be toasty for any games that your kids may have Saturday. Even early on, we're going to get well into the 70s by late morning. Record high is 86, so we're looking at potentially tying, if not breaking, another record high here Saturday. Sunday, a little cooler, closer to 80 for the Broncos game, but then some warm and dry weather into next week. In fact, still, Jason, no rain on that Super 7 day. It's going to go from 80s to snow. Just watch, like overnight, right? We'll see.
Right. But it also means it's really dry, and I've already heard this week almost every morning, a couple of small grass fires starting. So just be careful out there.